The difference between the Invader 2000 and your other bog standard security systems is that you've got the facility to record and personalise your alarm.
Right, she's ready. Wanna give her a go?
That's it.
Aye.
Arming the Invader. Activate. Activate the...
Just flick the switch.
What?
Flick the switch.
Flicking the switch. You know, nice enough then. See, it is now alarmed, and any exterior force will trigger it. It's new, it'll need tweaking.
Maybe if you...
It's coming home, it's coming